In today's dynamic business, flexibility and convenience are critical considerations in ensuring consumer happiness. Customers frequently seek the opportunity to split payments between multiple payment methods when making purchases, allowing them to leverage different sources of finances. Split payments are a realistic solution for both retailers and customers, supporting a wide range of financial situations and preferences. In this video, we will look at the concept of split payments, their benefits for both businesses and customers, and how this functionality may be efficiently applied to improve the transaction experience. Understanding split payment. Split payments are the practice of spreading the total cost of a purchase among different payment methods. Customers can assign different portions of the payment using diverse sources, such as credit cards, gift cards, store credit, or multiple bank accounts, rather than relying on a single payment method. Customers can use this flexibility to manage their finances more effectively and make purchases even when they do not have enough funds in a single account. Customer benefits. Enabling split payments provides various benefits to clients, increasing their purchasing power and overall shopping experience. Financial flexibility. Split payments help customers who may have limited cash in a single payment option. Customers can cover the purchase amount by combining available balances from several accounts or payment instruments by allowing the usage of numerous sources. Gift cards and store credit. Split payments enable customers to use gift cards or store credit in addition to other payment methods. This allows you to redeem gift cards or loyalty points while also using alternate payment methods, adding convenience and value. Budget management. Split payments allow clients to stick to their budgetary choices. They can charge a specified amount to a credit card, for example, while paying the remaining debt with cash or a debit card. Customers can use this function to keep track of their spending and make sound financial decisions. Benefits for retailers. Implementing split payment capabilities in a retail setting benefits organizations in a variety of ways, eventually driving customer satisfaction and sales growth. Increased conversion rates. By offering split payments, companies can remove financial barriers that may prevent buyers from completing a purchase. When customers have the option to split the payment, they are more likely to complete the deal, resulting in improved conversion rates and lower cart abandonment. Enhanced customer experience. Split payments contribute to a pleasant customer experience by respecting individual preferences. This adaptability reveals that the retailer appreciates their customers and is devoted to addressing their different needs, encouraging loyalty and customer happiness. Increased sales opportunities. Enabling split payments allows you to reach a larger consumer base. Customers with limited funds in a single account can nonetheless make purchases by utilizing several payment methods. This inclusiveness leads to improved sales potential and a broader reach for the retailer. Implementing split payment functionality. To efficiently integrate split payment capabilities, retailers can use modern point-of-sale systems or e-commerce platforms that allow this functionality. These systems should have a user-friendly interface that allows users to select and allocate different payment methods throughout the checkout process. The split payment feature should be smoothly incorporated into the payment procedure to ensure a smooth and efficient customer experience. Retailers should also provide clear instructions and assistance on how to split payments, allowing customers to use this option with confidence.